Hey everybody, it's me. We had two major snowstorms this weekend. This is our second one that's happening. Look up there, look at all that snow. It's crazy. There's plows down there, snowmobiles. I mean, not snowmobiles, snowblowers. It's just been I can't talk. Hectic. Okay, there. Hectic the past couple days. We never had the road cleared up in the first storm, so it's white. First storm it wasn't cleared, in this storm it's not cleared. So cold. It's cold out here. I think it's around 3 degrees out here. Look at all this. This is my grandfather's car. He passed away, so this thing hasn't moved for weeks. That's all the snow that's on it. Look at that. It's crazy. This is how high the snow is on his car. Half of his wheel. And right next to that is my sister's car. She hasn't been out much, so it's about an inch on there, I think. There's ice on there too. I'm in boots, jeans, and a sweatshirt. Not a good combination for winter. Today's the first day of winter too. We have had an ice storm and then these two major snowstorms. East Greenbush is under a snow emergency, which pretty much means all cars need to move off the road so the state and town plows can get through. We'll probably have to get some of these cars out of here so the plows can do their job. So, it's been hectic. And it's cold. Yeah. So, snow blowers from up here now. Out. Whoa. Whee! I love snow. My sister loves driving in it because she hits the gas, hits the brakes, and slides. Whoopee! So, here, we'll go up the driveway. Cold. Can't run so fast because I'm in boots, like I said. So, snowbanks really aren't that high. I mean, they're high enough to be snowbanks. See? That's a snowbank. I gotta go. Because I'm cold. Plus, I want to go in. And my memory's almost full. See ya. Oh, wait, one more thing. This is the sidewalk. Completely covered in snow.